Hello everyone. Again, this is your presenter, Danilo Guzman. And in this session, I'm going to discuss about the Japanese multiplication. But before we proceed to our lesson, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Matinik Atang Musikero. Let us now apply the Japanese multiplication by having our first example. Our example number 1 is 12 times 23. What's then the product of 12 times 23? And for the solution process, for our first step, let us try to first draw some lines for the number 12. And we do it this way. Since the first digit of the number 12 is 1, first, let me draw a line for the number 1. Let me draw one line for number 1. And since the last digit of the number 12 is 2, again, let me draw two lines for number 2. Let us now proceed to our second factor or second number, which is number 23. And to start with, first, we will start with the first digit of the number 23, which is number 2. For the first digit of the number 23, allow me to draw two lines for number 2. The second digit of the number 23 is 3. Now again, allow me to draw three lines for number 3. Let us now start counting all the intersection of lines in our given figure. First, we have to start with the last column. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, and lastly we have 6 for the last column. Now in our last column we have actually 6 intersections. Let us now proceed to the middle column and start counting all the intersections of lines. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we have 7 intersections for our middle column. And we can now start counting the intersections of lines for our first column. We have 1 and 2. Again, for our first column, we have 2 intersections. And now, joining all the numbers together, we have 276. And that only shows that 12 times 23 is actually equal to 276. And for our second example, let us try 22 times 24. And for our first step, let us try to draw some lines first for the digits of the number 22. Since the first digit of 22 is 2, let us draw 2 lines first. And for the last digit of the number 22, which is also 2, again, we draw 2 lines. Our second number is 24, and its first digit is actually 2. Again, let us draw two lines for the number 2, which is actually the first digit of 24. Coming up next, let us draw 4 lines for the last digit of 24, which is actually 4. And now we can start counting the number of intersections do we have at the last column. For our last column, if we're going to count all the intersections, we actually have 8 intersections. Again, for our last column, we have 8 intersections. Let us now proceed to our middle column and start counting all the intersections. Now, counting all the numbers of intersections do we have, we actually have 12 intersections for our middle column. But I'm going to write 12 this way. The first digit of number 12 must be written as a carry for the first column. The first digit of 12 is 1, and 1 will be written as a carryover for the first column. And then, the last digit of the number 12 must be written at the middle column, and that is number 2. Again, I repeat, for our middle column, we actually have 12 intersections, and I wrote the digits this way. And now, for our first column, let us start with the count of 1 since we already have a carry of 1. So let me start with the count of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then finally, we have 5. And now for our first column, we have the number 5. And then finally, by joining all the numbers together, starting from 5, followed by 2, and lastly, we have 8. We actually have 5 to 8 if we're going to combine them together. Thus, it only shows that 22 times 24 is 528. Again, 22 times 24 equals 528. And that's the end of our lecture for today. Thank you for watching our video. God bless us. This is Matinik at ang Musikero channel now signing off. Thank you.